Hello, hello. Here is the result. These are the baked dog cookies. But as you can see, Paul already tasted one, and when you touch it, it completely falls apart. It falls apart like this. Those are my successful dog cookies. And they're still hot. It tastes real good. But they cannot be served as cohesive dog cookies. Very good. Yum. You can't eat it like this, but it does clump apart. Tastes good. I like it. But if you touch it a little bit too hard, you have to touch it real lightly. Tastes delicious. So now is the cookie feeding moment of truth. Here are the cookies. They are very crumbly. Here is the beluga, and he really likes the cookies. He loves the cookies. The cookies, they taste so good. Oh my God. They are so good. Oh my God, see how he takes those cookies? He loves those cookies. They taste good. Oh my gosh. He took a whole cookie. And he is making a real big mess now on the couch. Those cookies are good. 100% vegan. No animal products. Delicious cookies. He loves it.
So anyone that says dog has to have meat, they're wrong. That's true. Dog can eat.
Dogs can be vegan. Totally.
I thought you'd have to put butter in it.
No, he loves it. Oh my gosh, a big mess. I wonder if I even baked this long enough.